Hi everyone, welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. I just have another appliance video here for you. This is the Instant Pot. This is one appliance that we use quite a bit, so I just wanted to give you a brief little rundown of this appliance here. So we have had this Instant Pot for about 6 to 7 years now. It's been working great. We use it for a multitude of cooking functions, and this size is the 8-quart, just Instant Pot Duo Plus. There are newer models out, some that have air fryer functions. We do not have that with this one. Like I said, it is older. So basically, it comes with its insert pot, and you can also get different accessories and stuff for it, like little silicone things for making mini brownies, mini cupcakes, things like that. But essentially, this is for eggs. This is a measuring cup it comes with for when you're pressure cooking. You need to have some liquid in the bottom. So that's that. This is the trivet that keeps the food off the bottom of the pot to prevent burning. We did purchase these little silicone grippers. It's a lot nicer to take the pot out of the machine when it's still hot. This one also came with a little spoon, a cake pan, and a steaming basket. So you will see me using this machine in quite a few of my videos. One thing that I do like about the Instant Pot, besides with the pressure cooking function, being able to cook things quite fast, is it has a bunch of other functions as well, depending on the size and I guess brand of Instant Pot. So like I said, this is the Duo Plus. There's different ones. But this one has functions for soup and meat, beans, cake even, hard-boiled eggs. I like to make my hard-boiled eggs with the Instant Pot over boiling or anything else because it doesn't overcook them. I like that. It has a slow cook function, so it replaces your slow cookers. So that's another thing we liked, is that we didn't need to have an extra appliance laying around. So it saves space in the cupboard there. Saute, so you don't even need to turn on your stove to saute vegetables or the meats. If it is required in a recipe, you can just do it all in the pot. There's a rice, multigrain function, make porridge, just steam vegetables. There's a sterilize function, so if you are canning, you can put your jars in there to sterilize your jars. And then, of course, like the pressure cook function. So, yeah, other than that, that's pretty much the gist of the Instant Pot. Everything stores together, so like I said before, saving on cupboard and counter space is a good plus on that. And yeah, other than that, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for other videos that I post with me using the machine. And yeah, with that being said, we'll see you next time.